Well, it's time for another Cookin' with KooKoo. Dave Myers, KooKoo for Cocoa, representing the Cocoa Exchange products. And today we're going to cook up some chicken with rice casserole. And today we're going to make some pizza. Today I'm going to make green chili mac and cheese. Today we're going to make,
Bolognese.
Bolognese. I am not a cook. Forgot to push the start button. Gotta have both my glasses in for this baby. Doubling, checkling. Yep, doubling, checkling. Nope. Got my stove fired up. Haven't blowed anything up yet. I'm here with two dogs all day and making food videos, and it'll be fun to talk to a human. And I am what you call Mr. Messy. So, I don't call myself by any means a cook whatsoever. Oh my goodness, we lost the recipe book. Super duper like this sweet and spicy cocoa rub and the sweet and smoky barbecue sauce. So those are the two products that we're going to incorporate into this dish.
Smoky barbecue sauce on your shopping list.
Alexa, delete the shopping list.
I'm not sure what went wrong.
Yeah, well, neither am I. Okay, not a cook, not a cook, not a cook. I'm pretty sure Lydia will cut some of this out.